Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to import DWG file or the CAD file into the Sketchup. Actually Sketchup offers a lot of different file formats that can be imported to it. For that, first go to the file and then go to here is the option import, and here I have a random file. I have already chosen the DWG, so it is actually the .skp format is for the SketchUp file. This one is DWG and DFX is for the CAD file, and this one is a 3ds Max file. And here also you have other formats like Google Earth and JPG and other Photoshop formats you can import. So here we are just simply importing the DWG file. So just select the file, locate your file, and then select, and then open. It's really simple and it's very fast actually. So I think I have a 3D file, random file that's downloaded from internet. It's okay, that's imported. Here we have a file, that file that you want. So this is how you import, and you can also, after making a little bit of changes, you can also export this file. So just go to the export, and then you have to choose either you want to export 2D model or 3D model, 3D model, or the 2D or the animation. That is, you want to create a video. If you have a camera set, here is the cameras are set over here. Sorry. Okay, so here camera set, so you can export the video. So there are also there are some of the formats you can export that model into. Like if you click to 3D model, then here you have the 3ds Max file you can also do, and this one is for DWG. There are a lot of options. You can export file too. Just click export, type the name, and this is very simple. And here you have options to what you wanna actually export, what things you wanna export, face, assets. So these are the things. This is very simple, but keep in mind that these versions of the AutoCAD and the SketchUp should be compatible. As if you are you are importing the file of the higher version of the AutoCAD, that is the newer version, and your SketchUp is older version, then it may not import sometimes. So there is a little bit of problem with that. Make sure that your AutoCAD and the SketchUp are compatible. Okay, thanks guys. Thanks for